Welcome to watch today's fresh home. A small student studio transformed into a duplex under the roofs of Paris. By investing in the attic of a building in Batignolles, the Atelier 1060 agency has transformed this former 30 square meters student studio into a spacious 45 square meters duplex. The architects thus opened up the entire first level to recover the large window of the old bathroom, previously hidden by the partitions. The large floor space thus becomes truly through, and the addition of a duplex in the attic further boosts this beautiful luminosity, bathing the entire space in sunlight.